Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Honey Can Do 3-tier heavy-duty adjustable shelving unit, black. You were looking for new closet storage ideas when your sweaters requested a sit down with you. Not only did they ask you to stop putting them on hangers, but they suggested you straighten up your shoe collection, too. That's when you decided it was time to restore order to your closet with this 3-tier heavy-duty, adjustable black shelving unit. Its commercial-grade durability is tough for any of your kitchen shelving needs, or to tame your wardrobe gone wild, while its steel-grated shelves allow your garments plenty of breathing room. Easy to assemble and versatile, this adjustable shelving unit also straightens up messes in your basement or garage. Steel. 250-pound capacity per shelf. Steel shelving unit is sturdy and rust-resistant. Adjustable shelf heights provide configuration versatility. Brings kitchen, garage or closet storage ideas to life. NSF certified, approved for commercial-grade kitchen use. Easy no-tool assembly. Dimensions, 24-foot LX14 WX30H. Thanks for watching and subscribe.